Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Portal on Mac. We'll explore a straightforward method, ensuring you can enjoy this classic puzzle game with minimal fuss. This approach simplifies the installation process, making it accessible for nearly all Mac users. You'll learn the few essential steps to get Portal up and running smoothly on your computer, ready for hours of engaging gameplay. Before you begin, let's quickly check your Mac system requirements. You'll want to ensure your operating system is Mac OS version 10.6.8 or later for best compatibility. Additionally, make sure you have at least 8 GB of available disk space for the game files. A 2 GHz processor and 1 GB of RAM are generally recommended for a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's get to the installation. Begin by downloading the Portal game client from a trusted digital distribution platform. Once downloaded, open the file and simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by the installation wizard. This process is quite intuitive and usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your internet speed and Mac's performance. With the game installed, it's time to play. Navigate to your Applications folder and locate the Portal game icon. A simple double-click will launch the game. Once inside, you can fine-tune the video and audio settings to best suit your preferences and Mac's capabilities. Prepare yourself for an incredible journey through aperture science, solving challenging puzzles, and enjoying the unique humor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.